Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into WhatsApp's latest update and learning how to mark a community as unread on the WhatsApp app for PC. This is a brand new feature that helps you stay organized and keep track of conversations you might want to revisit later, whether you're managing multiple groups, community announcements, or just want a quick reminder to come back to a chat. This feature will make your life a lot easier. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and that your app is updated to the latest version so you can access this new feature. Once WhatsApp is open, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see several icons there: chats, status, channels, and of course, communities. Next, click on the communities icon. This section collects all the communities you're part of, giving you quick access to their announcements or subgroups. It's designed to keep things organized, especially if you're active in multiple spaces. Now, find the community you want to mark as unread, scroll through your list until you spot the one you need. Maybe it's a community where you've just checked an update but want to return to it later. Once you've found it, right-click on that community. A small drop-down menu will appear with several options. Among them, you'll see Mark as Unread. Finally, click on Mark as Unread. Instantly, the community will appear bold again, just like any unread chat, reminding you there's something to check later. It's a simple move, but extremely useful, especially for those who manage work or event updates across multiple spaces. And that's it. You've just learned how to mark a community as unread on WhatsApp for PC. A quick and easy way to manage your messages and stay on top of what's important. If this guide helped you, make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials on the latest WhatsApp updates and hidden features that make your digital life smoother than ever.